Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set your quality, your image quality on your DSLR. So I cannot show you the from the my DSLR, but I want to show you from the Canon official website instead. So let's open my canon.com. You can go to the support.usa.canon.com. Here we go. How you can set the image quality. For example, this one, you can set the image quality. You can select pixel count and image quality. Then image recording quality settings are provided by this icon, the L, M, and S. Large, medium, and small. This is the size. Here we go. Under the camera plus one icon or tab, you can select image quality. This is the options. Then press set button on your camera and image quality will appear. Here we go. You can set the image recording quality. Select the image recording quality referring the respective qualities pixel count and number of possible shots displayed on the screen. You can press set. Here we go. This is a possible shot and pixel recorded or pixel takes. And this is the guide that you need to learn. Image quality definition here. L or large, this is the high quality. There are two options here. The difference is the size. So the L have same pixels, 24 megapixels, and file size there are 7.5 with this L icon here, and 3.7 with like stairs icon. Possible shots, of course, larger, much um, much higher than the uh, large one, the first large, because the size is quite small. And maximum burst limit to 150, but with the second one it's full. Again, medium quality, same 11 megapixels, half from the high quality. The difference of course with the file size and so on. This is the small one. There is S1, S2, S3. For the first S1, different in megapixel, about up to 6 megapixels, and the S2 is 2.5, S3 is 0.3. So this is the file size and possible shots. And of course, this is much higher. I recommend you to use this raw plus large to get high quality. And this is file size. Unfortunately, the possible shot is only 180, but and also maximum burst is 6. So here we go. You have to learn about this guide to image quality. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next.